I'm excited today. You can tell my face. Right, Mikhail? Very excited. I've got a new product to work with, and guess what, guys? On Winging It with Hoda, the Ramadan series, you're going to want to keep this under your belt because it's super quick, super easy. You know what I'm all about. It is Fettayleh's Gourmet Sensations turkey bacon, available at your local supermarkets. Oh, I can't wait. You know what? I can't wait to make this, but I can't wait for you guys to try this because I have tried it before. It's delicious. Let's get started. What we want to do to start off with is get our turkey bacon so nice and crispy because we're making this into a beautiful egg and turkey bacon roll. As I said, super simple. I'm turning on my pan, but I'm not going to put the turkey bacon straight in. I'm just going to let that get to temperature and then we're going to put it in, but step away so it doesn't sizzle everywhere. So what I'm doing is just taking my meat out and pat drying it with just some paper towel, because if I don't pat dry it, we're not going to get that nice crispiness that we're after. All right, our pan's hot, so we're going to throw that straight in. No oil. It is in a non-stick pan, so we're going to get that going. Okay, I've had my bread toasting. So we have our turkey bacon ready to go. I've got a little bit of barbecue sauce here which I'm going to use in my roll, as well as some chili, because barbecue sauce and chili, yum. So I'm going to add a little bit there and just really mix the two together. Now I'm going to do scrambled eggs for this roll, so I'm going to get my pan to a medium heat. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. What the olive oil does, it prevents the butter from actually going brown and burning very quickly. Just crack your eggs. Now you can crack them in a separate bowl if you're worried about shells going in and all that. And what we want to do is just start to bring that in and scramble these eggs, because I'm saving you guys from all the dishes. So you'll thank me later. One pan wonder is what I call these things. And it's still slightly under, but I've turned off the heat because the residual heat is going to continue cooking those eggs and not dry it out. Let's get this roll on the road. You can use any bread roll that you have available. A little bit of butter, eggs I'm going to place straight in. Hot tip, if you use a long roll like I am and you've got a big family, you're making all of this in one go, slice it up and off you go, you know, too easy. I'm going to place some slices of this delicious turkey bacon. Before I add the tomato, I'm going to put the chili barbecue sauce. Assemble your tomatoes on top like so. Just put some lettuce in there as well. How good does that look? Oh my God. I'm not even joking.
You okay? You right back there?
Yum.